Okay, got that water added. I want to get those shirts good and submerged, and let's pour in that cup of soda ash so we can start soaking these shirts. Alrighty, mix it around real good. This is the fixative, so you want to make sure and get this in there real good. This is what makes the dyes stay into the shirt after we're done dyeing them. That's what they call the fixative. Soda ash. Alrighty, got it all mixed in there. So we'll pop the lid on that and let them soak for a few minutes before we start twisting them up. Alrighty, get them wrung up, twisted. These are a black shirt, so we have to do what's called a reverse tie-dye on these. We have to first remove the black dye from the shirt in order to be able to dye it. We've got a new product that's hopefully going to make this process a little better. But because of the type of shirt this is and all, and the fact that this is a rush order and we don't want to make any mistakes, we're just going to do it the way that we have before because we know that way works good. I just meant like so I don't want on the table anymore. Just want to grab it in a nice center location and give it a good twist. Do the tie-dye twist. What's up, Oslo? Ready to tie-dye this morning? We're gonna neutralize this one or not? Straight up old-fashioned one. 10-4. Band it up, to the rack we go. Now it's time to dye. Or sorry, time to bleach. Gotta remove that color first. We only let them soak for about 15 to 30 minutes, and we also put them in direct sunlight to heat them up and get that UV going a little bit. Think that's enough?
On that side, yeah.
Just want to get them out in the sunlight so that it can help whiten them up a little bit.
Just gonna wait for a second.
We're gonna wait about 2-3 minutes, come back and do the other side. Alrighty, see you in a sec. It's starting to lighten up good. Starting to lighten up good, maybe a little more. Oh, look at that butterfly landed on my camera.
Hello, butterfly.
Oh yeah, look at that. Just try to get it lightened up. so that we have some area to dye. Okay, we're gonna let that sit in the sun for another 3 to 5. Oh, he's on the back of it. Look at him. What is it, Oslo? I know he needs a brushing so bad. You need a brushing, Oslo. So what colors are we gonna?
She said she wanted them regular colors. So.
Regular colors. So what are?
I like this yellow better though because it goes better on top of the bleached color.
I agree.
We'll do. Let's think. We did red. Where's red?
Do we not have any red? Scarlet.
Yeah, but we used fire red. Where is that?
Do we not have any?
Have light red.
Oh, that's what we make the pink with. Use the scarlet instead.
Okay.
That's red. Yeah. Scarlet will work.
And then deep orange.
I'll mix this some regular red, some fire red.
Green. That was the one we had trouble with. That was lime pop.
Which one do you think we should use, the lime pop or the Cayman? Or wait, we got traditional green, don't we? The green that I used. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Use traditional green.
And then
The blue.
blue and purple.
Okay. So those are all our colors we're gonna use.
Yeah. I was trying to decide should I use sky blue or turquoise, but I used sky blue in the first one.
Yeah,
So.
I would stick with sky blue. All right, cool stuff. Get all our dyes lined up, ready to go. Look how fast that thing turns. Oh yeah. Already changing colors. Get that thing lightened up. Our butterfly's back on our GoPro too. Alrighty. That lightened up quite well, I would say.
I'll make it glow.
Okay. Time to glove up, people.
The hydrogen water.
Oh, you're gonna neutralize it?
Yeah.
Neutral.
It's always been really low.
Neutralize. Now you want to put the hydrogen peroxide on there to neutralize the chlorine bleach and stop the color changing from happening. Because we don't want it to affect our new dyes we're about to put on here. The whole world will know what you're talking about there, Mr. Brown. We're joking. Because someone's talking really loud in the background. Quiet on set. It's gonna look really good.
I'm gonna run some water over it.
Gotta rinse it down just a hair. Okay.
And Liz on the other. Isn't that weird?
No, where was that?
Where was this?
Yeah, where'd you find it?
On the kitchen counter.
Oh wow, no.
I know, it's just like all of a sudden there's this key. I don't know where it came from.
I didn't put it there. Jack and Liz must have.
Yeah. Whoever they are.
That is really weird.
Whatever they are.
That is really weird.
Get that bleach and peroxide rinsed off, and now we're about to start our dye. I love these. It's very nostalgic because it's the first shirt that we ever reverse tie-dyed. First shirt we ever really tie-dyed, just me and her. It was one of these.
I might need my safety pin.
Oh. I'll go get him for you in just a sec. Shake them really good, babes, before you use them.
These are ones we already had mixed.
I know, but that's why they need to be shaken, because they've sat forever. They get solids in the bottom of them. Look at that. See them all floating in there? That's why they clog out. You gotta shake. Ooh, nice little gradient going there. Especially the purple one.
My dad. Ladies and gentlemen, my father. Oh, wait. I'm trying to figure out what that fucking crud is.
It's the orange from not being shaken. I could see it in the bottle. That's why I kept telling you, shake it.
Okay.
Look at that.
They're fucking talking about white. Like, Dad, you can't talk like that.
Look at that. That looks so good. I love this one with the sky blue. I love sky blue though. This blue is like one of my, I don't know. The Glacier is definitely probably my favoriteest blue of the blues so far. But this is a great like traditional style blue. I love it. I think these shirts always look so good too. Look at that, folks. What you think, babe?
I like it.
I like it too. Other side? Not yet.
I'm gonna, she lost her Patsy.
I'll go pop it in just a minute.
I'm gonna take a picture before I flip it over, that way I remember where all the colors are.
Oh, I see. Get you a good picture?
Yep.
There we go. Alrighty. Time for the other side, people.
Yeah.
Here we go. Time to dye it up. I like that scarlet red, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
It's a very, very vibrant red. And that's the deep orange, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. Nice and deep color. And our new yellow.
No, this is golden yellow.
Oh, golden yellow, sorry.
We had that.
That's right. Lemon and golden are two most used yellows. The golden yellow it really pops. It looks really nice. My homemade green.
I would call this a Kelly green.
Kelly green would be a good description. Or a sky blue. Beautiful blue. And the purple. Homemade purple. I don't know what kind of purple. You go midnight purple, maybe? They call it midnight purple.
I don't know what you'd call that.
Yeah, I don't know either. Homemade purple. That's what we'll call it. A little more red. Even out that color flow. Look at that. Oh man. That's a good transition of colors there. That looks really, really good. Don't you think, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty, folks. Now all we gotta do is we'll have to let it soak like this for 24 hours, but tomorrow morning we'll get up nice bright and early and rinse her on out. So make sure and stay tuned. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Everybody have a wonderful day.